I see the Junior Achievement mission as preparing young people and empowering them, right, to own their futures. And I think it's our job to make sure that they do know all of the opportunities that are out there for them, prepare them with the tools, and help them to get ready.
We really do have the opportunity to make a huge difference in lives on a regular basis, and I can think of so many students that have come back to let us know that we've made a huge impact in not only their year, but just in their career path.
Our curriculum is designed to teach financial literacy, entrepreneurship, and work readiness. We provide our students with skills, knowledge, and experiences that they will need to succeed in the modern world.
As we plant the seeds now, it's going to change the mindset of the different communities, the different schools, the different advisors, the parents. And the one kid that goes through the program now and goes down a 10-year path for a career, his little brother is seeing it, his cousin is seeing it, the parents might go back and get a trade. It really does change the way the community is developing.
Junior Achievement of South Florida's partnership with Broward County Public Schools is deep. We are working alongside them to make sure that students have the opportunity to connect their academic experience and knowledge with real world.
Junior Achievement, BizTown, Finance Park, 3DE, Fellows, Career-Bound, Youth Employment, and Pre-Apprenticeship Workforce Development Programs impact over 80,000 students each year. JA is building the foundation for successful financial management and career advancement through real-world applications.
We have the opportunity to find out what the needs of our business partners are and to meet those needs with the talented students that we come across every day.
There's so many success stories. We have students who have gone on to start their own businesses. We have alumni who we know through our studies have reached higher levels in their careers because they started out with the skill sets. Our employers tell us the value that our young people are bringing to their businesses through our summer internship program.
You have all of these relationships, you have all of these resources, and then you have a team put together that is really just all about how do we have the most impact possible.
And that's what JA is committed to. Working with partners, working with donors, working with businesses, our county, our government, our school districts, private, charter, public, all of them, working together. This is a collaborative effort, and we cannot do this alone. There are so many ways to get involved. I promise you that the impact you have on our young people will make you feel amazing, and it will build the future of our community.